What's up everyone? Mohammed Rashid Kamal is here from the Global Mindset University. On today's episode, we're going to discuss about some technical issues that we can fix in the toilet. Yes, you may be aware that I'm a ServiceNow star and a data scientist. I'm a certified in system admin, application development, portal, advanced performance analytics, and so many things related to the technology and including the health stuff. But today I'll show you how you can quickly fix your toilet. You may have considered your toilet sometimes have some problems, especially if it's not flushing very well, or it may take time to flush, or you may hear the noisy, right? So I'll show you how to fix that. I did a little bit of experiment on that for a couple of hours and I fixed that. So I want to share that with you guys, so why not? So let's go ahead and see how I did it. What's up everyone, this is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. I'm a ServiceNow developer and data scientist. Today we're not going to discuss about the ServiceNow or data scientist. I'm going to show you how to fix your toilet. The toilet, if it's not flushing very well, I'll show you how to fix it. So this is something I just learned. You know that if you have that very short learning curve to learn things, that's how you're gonna do it. So you just need a glove here, you put on your glove. So probably you might hear this is a new toilet. We got it and it was a new home as well back in 2016. That's when we got it. Just been how many years, 4 or 5 years since we bought this home, but this toilet, it was fixed new at that time. But now recently we have experienced a noisy feeling. So when it fails, when it takes time, the longer time it takes, and the other thing, it is what it would do is it will take a longer time. Then I'll show you how we can fix that one. So when it takes the longer time, it's not gonna fill up for you right away. Like once you use the bathroom, it takes you a longer time to fill up. So when you flush it, it doesn't have that much water when you flush it. So for that, you need to do a little bit of experiments. If you want to change the whole system over here, it's called the filling valve. You can buy that one. It could be from Home Depot or any wherever you can get it, or you can buy it online. It's just for $10 or less. You can buy that and change the hole. But before you do that, you may try to fix it, right, without just making any change. So for that, I'll show you how we can do that. All right. So the problem, you may hear that noisy feeling when you feel a noisy feeling, and that could happen. It could be because of something blocking the water, or there may be a damage over there. So this is what I have right here. As you can see it right here. So it has a red top. You can take it out the red top. It doesn't have any problem. But that would not gonna fix it. So I'll show you how we can fix it the easy way. So the first thing what you make sure is you need to turn off your water. Okay? You need to turn off your water. One is from your water source. From your water source directly, you can turn it off in there. You just clockwise, you can turn it off. And then there's a way also we can turn off our water from here. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we can turn off. So it just right here. So this is where you can turn it off your water. Now I just turn it off. So it was like that, and I turn it off. I turn it off over there. Yep, that's how you can turn it off. So once you turn that one clockwise, and the next thing is you go all the way here, and you need to open it up. So you don't need to use the wrench. So you need to use your hand gently and slowly. You need to open it up. All right, almost there. I'll show you how I take it away. So in the meantime, I'll ask my cameraman to show the inside over there, just from the inside. Yes. Awesome. So this is something you can fix it by yourself. instead of calling a maintenance, so if you call a maintenance, it might cost a lot of maybe 100 or 200, right? First they will inspect it, and second, and they might say, oh, we need to buy this, we need to buy this. So all those things are not going to be easy for most Americans. So I'll show you how we can fix all of those stuff easy way. So I already unplugged it. As you can see right here, it's there. I already unscrewed and took it away. So the next thing what I can do, the system, before I go to the system. So let me have a bucket here where I can collect the water in case the water spilled too much. So be careful here. And so what I would do, I'm just gonna open it from here. Just bear with me. It's gonna be really powerful. There we go. You see that little stuff? So when I just open the water here, turn on the water, you'll see that some hair, some kind of dirty stuff. It was plugging it. So even the small thing, the smaller the thing is, it could plug your water, and then the system may not gonna have water. So let's put it back. I clean it up very well over here so that it doesn't plug anywhere anymore. So I have to put it again. What I'm gonna tell you guys is don't use a wrench. If you use a wrench, it's really not gonna damage it. I can show you just all the way down by going back here. So you need to be careful when you fix this one. Alright, that's how you put it. It's really plastic. It just take a little bit. It's not much comfortable the area, but you gotta be careful when you make that. Connect them and screw it up. Right, so this is how we can. Like I said, the area is not really comfortable. That's why it's taking me time. So the longer you take time, the good way you can do it. So just take your time and slowly put it in there, and that's how you close it. You see, it gets slow motion over there. Now you can see how you did it. There we go. Awesome. It's going almost in. Like I said, I'm a ServiceNow developer and data scientist, but this is something you can do it at home. You don't need to be a maintenance person, or you don't need to have any special skills. So you just need to have that motive and energy to look around and ways of finding some solution, right? So that's why I'm putting it here online for you guys to fix it. So the next thing is now we'll be able to take care, and we got that the dirt already come out. And the next thing now, we're gonna try. So this is the thing. Let me explain this for you guys. So this is a valve. This is called the overfilling valve. When there's an overfilling valve, this needs to be perpendicular directly to the other one over here, and you need to put it directly here. That's how you need to keep it. Some of them are all the way down, and some of them are just like that. So it's connected through the main tube here, and then it comes all the way down here. That's how you keep it. So in case this one is out, you gotta fix it. And this one, when the water is filled up, so when you open it from here, after you use your toilet, it will just, when you pick it up, it will pick it up, and the water is gonna go away. Now I don't have any water, so we can show you how we can if we fix it up. But sometimes this might be broken because of this being the whole time 24-hour on the water, so it might get rusty, and then it might break. So you gotta be careful. If these things are broken, you can change them as well. So, but in my case, it is just brand new. It just been 4 years old, so everything is good. So I'm not gonna touch that one. And the next step is this part. So this part, if it is fixed and if it is working correctly, I have to see water coming off all the way down here. See those tube stuff? So yeah, trying to show you guys a little bit closer. Bear with me. It's just take. Yes. So if you go all the way down right there, show you a little bit closer. What am I gonna show you? Here we go. So the water need to come from here, not from the top over here, because this is called the overfilling. So something over here, if water is come from here, that's gonna be the overfilling. So the overfilling should go all the way down from there to here. Okay.
you.
So,
Something is stuck.
right. So from what I have seen, this one, first of all, let's prove it if it is working or not in my case. So the first thing I have to turn it on, the water from here, because for safety reason I already turned off. Now we gotta open it. Now look at that. Look at the water popping up. See that? There we go. See that? Now the water is automatic. There is no the noisy feeling. Now it's automatically filling up. Look at that. How cool it is now. So it is filling just as quick as it's been as new. So it's not taking time to fill up. It's really quick like that. And there is no overfill up from here. So from here going there. So now it's filling up. Once it's full up, you can see now. Just bear with me. It doesn't take even a minute to fill up this water now. It was taking time to fill. Now, look at that. Look, the overfilling now. The water is almost there. And now the overfilling is already started. See? That's it. It's automatically stopped. The overfilling, the water was coming up through this. Now it's all the way up there, exactly where the water is. Where am I touching it right now? It's right there, and the water automatically stop and fill up in less than a minute. So you can flush your toilet like 2 times in 1 minute. That's the difference from the from previous one. Now let's go ahead and flush up and see if there is any difference. There we go. That's it. That's powerful water, what we need. And now it should start automatically to fill up. Awesome. So that's how we fix this toilet, and this is very simple. And then let's go ahead and talk this one. So ምናልባት ሽንት ቤታችሁ ይሄ ፍላሽ ማድረጊያው በሚበላሽበት ሰዓት የመጀመሪያውን ነገር ማድረግ የሚኖርባችሁ እንግዲህ የውሃውን መምጫ በዚህ በኩል መዝጋት ይኖርባችኋል። ያንን ከዘጋችሁ በኋላ ይህንን ቱቦ በዚህ በኩል ከተከፍቱታላችሁ ቀስ ብላችሁ ጀንትሊ ከከፈታችሁት በኋላ ይህ ውሃ እንዳይወጣ በደም ከተዘጋ በኋላ ይሄ ጀንትሊ ይዘጋል። ከዛ በኋላ ይሄንን ካወጣን በኋላ አንዳንድ ቆሻሻዎች ካሉ ያንን ክሊን እናደርጋለን እና በዛ መልኩ ቆሻሻው ክሊን ከሆነ ያሉት ቆሻሾች ወጥቶ ያው ውሃው በትክክል እንዲወጣ ይጠቅመናል ማለት ነው። እና ይህ ኦቨርፍሎ ይባላል። ከዚህ ጋር የሚመጣ ውሃ በብዛት ፍሎ በሚያደርግበት ሰዓት ወደዚህ እንዲፈስ የምታረግ ቀጭን ቱቦ ናት። ይሄ እንግዲህ ውሃው ከሞላ በኋላ በቀጣይ ፍላሿ በምትነካበት ሰዓት ውሃ እንዲሄድ የሚያደርግ ነው። በዚህ መልኩ ነው። አዘርዋይስ ደግሞ ይሄንን ተሆ ብራንዲንግ ፊክስ ለማድረግ ከፈለግን ታችኛዋን ሆንዲፖስ ካስተማር አካባቢ ናት ገዝቶ እሱን መቀየር ይቻላል። እንዳለ ደግሞ ይቀየር ከተባለ እስከ 200 ብር ይጠይቃል። ከዛም ያነሰ ሊሆን ይችላል። አንዳንድ ቱቦዎች አሉ እዛ ጋር መፈታት ያለባቸው። ይሄ ትክክለኛ ሬንጅ ያስፈልጋችኋል። ስክሩድራይቨር ትክክለኛ የሆነ ያስፈልጋችኋል። ከዚህ ማርቆችን እንዳለ አውጥቶ ዘሆችን አውጥቶ በአዲስ መቀየር እንችላለን ማለት ነው። እና ይህንን እንግዲህ ለእናንተ ሼር ለማድረግ ነው። if you like it and don't like it, give us a comment below and let us know. If you haven't yet subscribed and be part of the Global Mindset University, you can join us. You can learn a lot of cool stuff. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. Until we see you with the next episode, have a good one. Bye. Bye. So it's a very good demonstration that we have in this webinar. So we're gonna meet with another webinar where we can demonstrate something that what we can get out of this. It's going to be like subscribe so you're not gonna lose any of our episodes when it comes. So that's all we have. And again, my name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal from the Global Mindset University, and I'm a ServiceNow star. Till we see each other the next webinar, have a great day everyone. Wish you safe and great time.